The management of Cavendish University Uganda informs the general public in East Africa and Africa at large of the second annual memorial lecture of His Excellency Benjamin Mkapa, the second annual event in honor of His Excellency Benjamin Mkapa, who is the former President of the United Republic of Tanzania and also the former Chancellor of Cavendish University Uganda, will be hosted at Sheraton Hotel, Kampala, on the 29th November 2023, starting 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. The theme of this year's lecture is Diplomacy and Contemporary State Formation in Africa, the role of His Excellency Benjamin Mkapa in the Moshi Conference of 1978. Among key distinguished guests to grace this event include 1. Professor Tarsis Kabwejere, the former Minister of General Duties, Office of the Prime Minister, who shall be the guest of honor. 2. Ambassador Dr. Aziz Ponari Mima, the former Tanzania High Commissioner to Uganda and personal assistant to His Excellency Benjamin Mkapa, who shall give the keynote address. 3. Professor John Francis Mugisha, the Vice Chancellor of Cavendish University Uganda. The event shall both be physical and online. The physical audience shall involve guests invited by card, and the online audience will follow the event live on Tanya Innovations Africa platform and the Cavendish University Facebook page. In the spirit of Pan-Africanism, we reflect the life of an African hero in the name of His Excellency Benjamin Mkapa. Thank you.